Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review one more product. The product name is Rapid Mobile Commission. So this Rapid Mobile Commission is created by Mr. Phillips Johnson. So see, here you can earn the money through your mobile only. So no need to use your computer or desktop. So course, this is the course where you get to know how to earn the money through your mobile only. So here you can earn the money by using the free traffic, and that is also this required no website. So no experience, no technical skill, no email required. So it's a brand new money making system, and it's a 100% proven method, and it's a newbie friendly. So step by step way you will learn how to earn the money through your mobile only. So no email list is required and no computer is required. You can do this through your mobile only. So in this course, everything is given in step by step way so that you will learn all the strategy and hacks how to earn the money through your mobile only. So initially you need only 10 minutes or 15 minutes to do your setup. Then later on hardly 1 minute you need. So automatically you will earn the money through this system. So I will explain you how it works step by step. So today I have a great offer for you. If you purchase this product through my link, you will get some attractive bonuses from my side, as well as you will get the bonus from vendor sides. So I will review this product. So first I will take you through my bonus page, then we'll go through the member area, and then we will see the sales page. There we'll discuss the price and OTO prices. So let's start our review. So I will take you through the bonuses. So see, this product is going to launch tomorrow 11 a.m. EST. Note that these bonuses is only for limited time frame. So these bonuses will be up to 20th July midnight. See, once this timer goes off, the bonuses will also gone. So this bonus number one, which you will get from my side, is access to Goodwill software. So in this software, you no need to sell anything, but here you are giving something free to your buyers, like some freebies or some traffic software, and through this also you can earn the money. That everything explained in this software. So you will learn how it works once you gone through this software. My second bonus is learn how to use ClickBank. So ClickBank is also another platform, same like your Warrior Plus and Zevizu. From this platform you can choose the product and you can promote that product, and through your affiliate link you can earn the commission. So this everything is given in this tutorial. And here is the third bonus. The third bonus is how to use Instagram influencer. So this is the tutorial where you will learn how to grow your Instagram account, how to increase your followers. So here you will learn the various strategies and hacks to grow your Instagram account. So bonus number 4, you will get Access Nova and all the upsells. So this software is created by my mentor Jono Armstrong. So you will get this software absolutely free, and all the upsell also you will get along with this software. So here this bonus is only for 12 hours. So once after the launch of this project, don't forget to bookmark this software link so that you will not miss the access to this software. So after it is only for 12 hours. So in this software, the various hacks and strategy which have used by my mentor, and how they earn the huge commission, everything is given in step by step way. So it's a very unique software you will get as a bonus from my side. So now bonus number 5, you will get all the vendor bonuses which vendor is giving along with this software. So these are the bonuses. So once you click on the link which is given in the description, you will redirect to the sales page, and from where you can purchase this product, and you will get all the bonuses which is offered by me and vendor bonuses as well. So I will take you through the member area now. So I have logged into this Rapid Mobile Commission app. So this app is a mobile based app. So here step by step everything is given how to earn money through your mobile only. That is also without using any website or any email list. You can earn the money from your mobile only. So here on left side various tools is given, and in above you can see various upgrades are there. So you can go for that upgrade as well. So this is, so first introductory video is there, and also there is one case study is given how they earn $43K in a week time. So here welcome video is given. So here for this core intro is given. So for each thing the video is already given, so you can go through this video. So overview about this software app is given here, you can go through it. So various tools required for iOS and the tools required for Android phone, here this is given in this tutorial video. So here in this finding offer, you can find the various offer from the various platform like Zevizu, Warrior Plus. From this platform you can find the offer and you can apply for that offer, and you can earn the money through your affiliate links. So here you will learn how to get approved for your affiliate link, and how to apply for review access so that you can review that product. So here the full tutorial is given how to make reviews. At the same time, once you make the review video, you have to post it on YouTube. So you learn how to create great thumbnail for your review videos. Here one more thing, you will learn how to create customized bonus. So in this tutorial, step by step process is given how to create your own custom bonus to attract your buyer traffic. Then you will learn how to upload your review video on YouTube. Then overall conclusion is given, and here various case study is given so that you can learn from that case study and you will start earning through your mobile app. So here extra bonuses is also given, so that in this bonus you will learn how to earn $500 from your YouTube videos. So this is my overview on this member area. So I will take you through the sales page and price part. So we'll go through this sales page. As I told, it's a mobile friendly software. So here you no need to require any technical skill. From mobile only you can do this, and that is also you don't require any website also. So you can select some product and you can promote that product and you can earn through your mobile only. So see, the sales page I will go through only main point and price part only. If you want to go through in detail, the link is already given in my description. You just go through that description, you will get that link, click on that link, so you will come to this sales page and you can go through in detail. So with this product you will get some bonuses from vendor side as well, which I have already mentioned. So here you will get bonus number 1, that direct VIP support access to the creator. In bonus number 2, you will get exclusive behind the scene look into how they make $43,000 in 7 days. That entire case study is given here as a bonus. Bonus number 3, free high ticket training you will get along with this product. So bonus number 4, unfair advantage in business and live custom training you will get as a bonus number 4. Bonus number 5, instant approval to promote Rapid Mobile Commission. So you will get as a bonus number 5. Along with this product, you will get 30 days money back guarantee also. We'll review this price and upsells. So front end, Rapid Mobile Commission, you will get $12.95. So here you will get access to the powerful Rapid Mobile Commission software and training module. And these are some upgrades. So if you purchase front end only, you will get all the bonuses from my side and vendor side as well. So upsell number 1, Pro version, that cost you around $27. You will get the advantage training, proven converting campaign, and even more hacks to convert and grow your business to 10x. Upsell number 2, done for you money makers, that you will get for $37. Upsell number 3, Traffic Mastery, you will get for $67, but downsell price is $47. Upsell number 4, you will get the unlimited traffic that cost around $97, but downsell price is $67, which allow you to put your pixel, our sales page, and have digital email list. Upsell number 5, you will get resale right for $97 and downsell price is $47. In this upsell, you will get resale right with this software. So I will summarize this product. This is mobile friendly software, and in this training you will get the step-by-step training how to use your mobile and earn the money. So here you no need to use any website or computer. So through your mobile you can promote your campaign and you can earn the money. So in this training you will learn how to earn the money through your mobile only. So overall it's a good software. So this is the review from my side. I hope this review is helpful to you. If you like this product and if you want to purchase this product, the link is already given in the description. Click the link given in the description. You will get this product along with my bonuses. So on this channel, I will come up with the upcoming digital product review. So do visit my channel and subscribe the channel. If you like this video, please share this video with your friend. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.